came into this world out from the unseen spirits, being born into matter's dimension, manifesting astral beings here in terrestrial dwellings. Two worlds as above, so below us. One day Dezarie explains sons of heaven, sons of earth and this planet. Same elements of galaxy, human body contain earth, feather, water, fire, wind. Bodies made of soil, stardust in with skin, dark matter, melanin, solar system, and us is one. Made to be one with creation, one with creator. Made to be one with creation, one with creator. It was meant to be that way. Particles of the one within, so look there when you go searching for God. Begin looking within the self you made in the image of them and made in their likeness. The living stars of light work with one God, one destiny, one aim together. We are parts of one body, all for one for all. We should have unity in this reality. Actually, wheel within a wheel, us within a world, within the world, within the universe, and us is one. One earth, one people, many nations. The universe and earth and our people is one. Made to be one with creation, one with creator. Made to be one with creation, one with creator. It was meant to be that way. It was meant to be that way. Yeah. We are one with the tribe of Judah, one with Queen Omega, one with Menelik. We are one with Ambrosite, one with Abyssinia. Yeah. The elements, the cosmic regions, connected to the sky, the ground, the land, the ocean. One with the life of Mother Nature ecosystem. One with the Most High, so we should have high self-esteem. One with the Lord of the spirits. One with the King of Kings, we in it. Made to be one with creation.